So Canva finally allowed us to use gradients in our text in a flexible way, so we can type over it and change the letters as we like it. Let's jump into Canva, see how we do it. So here we are on a blank slide, and if I add a text box, maybe a title, and I say gradient, I increase it in size. Now if I go to the text colors, what we used to have is only the fixed colors, so the solid colors. But if we scroll down, they've now added that default gradient color. The cool thing is we can just check any of those and then change all. Now you don't have to do that. You can also go to see all and then choose any of the gradients. Now sometimes it gives us that option to change all the colors, but sometimes as well, if you do it again and you add something to the slide, you can just change that. So I haven't figured out yet why sometimes you have to change it all, but sometimes it just does a really good job. So if we do it like this, gradient, we can type it in, go to gradient, make it bold, scroll down and just set any of the settings that we like, so we can create that really cool gradient result. Now, of course, you can always go to the top and here add a new color. Maybe we add an extra one, a red one. And then if we put that on full screen, we can see how that nicely changes the color of the gradient, and we can really choose any sort of style that we like. So let's put that all the way to the yellow side, maybe orange, and we shift them around and you see how it plays with that setting. So you can just change them around, make them darker and change the entire look and feel of it. Also, you can change the background, maybe make that dark to really make it stand out more. Now, one of the benefits is that if you just want to copy that box, maybe scale it down and we want to say finally, and we can also change the font. So before we had to do that in a different app, which wasn't very practical, but if we now change it, finally, ingredients, we can do it like that, make some nice design. And you see how you can just play around with it. You can override it, you can change the words, you can really type in and use that same gradient, which is pretty cool. So that is how you can finally use that gradient style effect in your designs in Canva.